Welcome po uli sa ating channel, Ellis Choice Carrera Tips, Sariling Giya. June 6, 2025, araw tayo ng Biyernes. Ganun pa rin, 7 karera. No bearing races. Maaga tayo, 3 PM ang start time. Race number 1, winner take all. 3-year-old naman maiden race, mga placers. Nag-iisang 1400 meter race. Pampremera ko, numero 9, Exalted with Calvin Abobo. Panigundo ko naman dito, numero 1, Royal Salute with JT Pabilik. 9-1, race number 1. Race number 2, start naman ng Peak 6. Class 5, 6 to 10 split, 1-2 nga ang distansya. Ng race 2 hanggang race 7. Pampremera ko 1, Rule the World with PM Caballero. Panigundok naman dito, numero 2, Step Bell with John Alvin Guse. 1-2, race number 2. Race number 3, pick 5 naman tayo. Class 5, 11 to 15, split. Dito ako number 6, Grand Laughter with Joel Shego. And then panigundo ko number 2, Karing Melody with Jeric Pastoral. 6-2, race number 3. Race number 4, pick 4, class 5-5 non-placers. Dito ako number 5, Princess Belle with Apoy Asuncion. Second choice ko na rin yung Sheting Top Romance with TL Camanyero Jr. 5-7, race number 4. Race number 5, huling DD plus 1, mga placers naman to sa grupo 5. Pampremera ko 4, Malibu Bell with JB Hernandez. Then panigundo ko yung 8 Munich with AR Ramos. 4-8, race number 5. Race number 6, penultimate race, class 5, 6 to 10, split. Ang primera ko, JB Hernandez ulit, number 6. Professor Jones, panigundo ko naman 1, high quality with AM Tansyoko. 6-1, race number 6. Okay, dito na tayo, huling karera, race 7, class 4, 16 to 21 split. Pampremera ko, numero 8, Service Deluxe with JT Pabilik. Panigundo ko, another JB Hernandez, number 4, Polite Bell. At isasama ko yung nagbabalik, almost 2 years yata napahinga to, numero 1, Believe in Me with Unil P. Lopez. Bagong owner din, no? Kay Gobon na siya. So, 8-4-1 ako rito, race 7. Good luck po for racing. God bless.